Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about activation energy graph under the topic enzymes. So let's start with the same. As we have already discussed the role of enzymes in a chemical reaction, that they will catalyze the process by involving in it. They'll just participate and come out as it is after the completion of reaction. So what enzymes are going to do that the reaction become faster? It means the number of the substrate molecules, that is the reactants, will converted into the products in maximum amount or in more numbers. That is the turnover rate. So by adding an enzyme, the turnover number is going to get increased. How it is going to increase? Every chemical reaction needs some amount of energy to initiate. Okay, with the use of energy, the chemical reaction will start. So that depends upon like how much energy is required. That is totally depend upon different kinds of substrate, different kinds of chemical reactions. So initially, when the substrate is to be converted into the product, before intermediate there is a transition stage where that substrate is to be taken so that the making, the breaking of the bonds can occur and that can be converted into the product. So in this particular graph, what it is representing related to activation energy, this y-axis represents the potential energy of the substrate molecules and this x-axis is representing the progress of the reaction. Okay, the reaction is occurring as the energy is increased. Okay, this is that particular graph. Here we can see the substrate is at a higher level and the product is at lower level. So this type of chemical reactions are exothermic in nature. So the reaction may be exothermic, endothermic or any spontaneous reaction. Each and every chemical reaction requires some amount of energy to start. So this is that amount of energy which is starting this reaction. So here a transition stage is coming. This transition state is that where the chemical reaction starts occurring. Okay, to reach that stage, that amount of energy which is required is activation energy. So here you can see when we are not adding the enzyme, the activation energy is high. This much energy is required from the lower energy graph to the higher one. And after adding the enzyme, the activation energy is decreased, as you can see by this pink color line on the graph. So what it is telling, what we are depicting from this graph, that after adding enzyme to a chemical reaction, this activation energy is lower. So enzymes lower the activation energy of the reaction to allow the maximum number of substrate to convert into the product. So in that way the reaction become faster. For example, in a chemical reaction of this carbonic anhydrase enzyme, without its involvement, the CO2 and water are converted into carbonic acid 200 molecules per hour, and after adding, the rate of reaction is going to be multiplied millions times. So that is the effect of enzyme in a chemical reaction. So this graph represents that after adding enzyme, the activation energy get reduced. Thank you.